Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a tarot reading. It's a 4-card spread and the reading is for self-love in times of self-doubt. So this is where you're really struggling with yourself and you have a lot of doubt about yourself, and this reading is to help you really understand where that's coming from and what you can do about it. Before we dive into the reading though, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. I am the creator of the Confident Tarot Reader course, which is a course there to help you confidently read the tarot using your intuition so that you can give, clear and concise readings that are really accurate and really getting into that connection with your cards. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can enroll in that course. I also have a free masterclass now on the tarot. It is called How to Read the Tarot with Ease. It is one single video course, but it will really help you, particularly if you're new to the tarot or you struggle reading the tarot using your intuition. It'll show you how you can read the cards without even knowing what the meaning of the cards is. So take a look at that. If you want a free mini course, it's called How to Read the Tarot with Ease, and there's a link in the description field below this video. So when it comes to the tarot, it can really help you identify key things in your life that you need to look at. It's a great coaching tool. So it's not just for divination, it's to actually help you with coaching. So I'm just shuffling the deck now. So you can take this as a learning tool for how to read the tarot, and you can also take this as a reading that is applying to you right now, and that is the answer to your question about self-love. So I've just quickly shuffled the deck and we'll just put out what the cards are, and then I'll tell you what positions they're in. So we have here first up the Magician card, which is great. We've got the Ace of Cups, which is perfect for this type of reading. We have the Eight of Swords, which makes perfect sense actually. And then we have the Two of Pentacles, which is an interesting card to come up in a reading on emotions and self-love. We have one cups here, one of the suit of cups in here, and we're dealing with emotions and love, yet we only have one cups, which is interesting. We have a Swords and we have a Pentacles, and we also have a Major Arcana card. So the first card is the Magician here. Like most first cards in a spread, it's about the current situation. This Magician here is representing your current self. So this is your emotional state, how you perceive yourself in the context of your self-love and also the doubt. And he's going to offer insights into your feelings and your attitudes. So here's card number one. The second card, the Ace of Cups, falls in the underlying influences position. So here you're exploring deeper factors affecting your emotions. It can unveil the hidden aspects, maybe your past experiences or subconscious influences that are contributing to your situation. Number three is the Eight of Swords, which is telling you what you need, okay? It's going to guide you to understand what you need to do, what you need to let go of, or what you need to see, or what you need to understand. And it goes well with the last card, the Two of Pentacles, which is your action or advice card, letting you know what it is that you need to do or what sort of approach you need to take to solve this issue. So let's start with the Magician. The Magician is telling you that you have everything you need to be able to have that self-love. You have all the tools available to you. You are a magical being. Everything is there. If you're struggling with that self-love and that self-doubt, fear not. You have the capacity to be able to change this situation. You're just not seeing it. You're not seeing what you have available to you. You're not seeing the good things within yourself. You're not seeing the potential within yourself. You're not seeing your talents. You're not seeing your skills. You're not seeing what an awesome person you are. And that's probably got a lot to do with the 8 here, with the blindfold and being all tied up. You're not seeing it because you're not allowing yourself to see it. So it's all there. And I think deep down inside, you know you have the ability to make a change. You have the ability to change this. You know deep down inside you are the magician. It's just a matter of you fully embracing that and stepping into that magician aspect of yourself. Now, in the second position of the 8 of Cups, this is the influence, okay? So things obviously are coming from an emotional point of view. You are feeling into yourself a lot more now. You're becoming more aware of your feelings, and as a result, it's causing you to realize that you're struggling with your self-love, and the self-doubt is coming through simply because you're becoming more self-aware. What this card is also saying is that becoming aware of the situation is actually opening you up to be able to then receive more of the good stuff and to be able to realize the self-love and the good in you and the lovability within you. It's allowing you to see that. It's giving you the opportunity to see that. You're looking for it now, and you're looking for a way to make this change. And that's actually what's influencing this. You've had enough of the self-doubt. You've had enough of all of that stuff, and you're ready to make the change. And this card is saying that you've got the capacity to make emotional change, and you're on the beginning. Because it's an ace, it's the beginning. You're beginning to walk this path towards less self-doubt and more self-confidence and self-love. Now, the card that's telling you what you need, which is the 8 of Swords, is telling you need to look at your thoughts. Now, here with the Ace of Cups, it can show you the emotions, and you're probably feeling the emotional aspects of this, the emotional discomfort. But behind every emotion is a thought. So if you can capture those thoughts, and they're probably along the lines of, I'm not good enough, I'm not this, I'm not that, or I'm too this, or I'm too that, I'm not lovable, I've got proof of this because of my past, yada, yada, yada. They're all thoughts and they're all beliefs, and they're keeping you tied up and they're keeping you blindfolded. And they're stopping you from seeing that there is a way to the castle. And the castle is what you want. It's the self-love and the self-confidence. But your thoughts and beliefs about yourself are actually what's keeping you stuck. And that's the good news. You can change them. It's not somebody else keeping you stuck. It's you keeping yourself stuck, which means you can do something about it. So the action card here, which is the advice card, which is the 2 of Pentacles, is telling you that you need to look at how you're balancing your life right now. Are you doing too much to try and prove yourself or to be a nice person? Are you doing too much to try and feel that you're good enough by constantly giving, but never receiving in return, and you're burning out and feeling resentful as a result? How are you balancing what you give with what you receive? How are you balancing your needs with your external responsibilities as well? How do you give yourself time and allow yourself to take time for yourself and do things for yourself instead of always sacrificing yourself for other people? It's really crucial that you prioritize your emotional well-being at the moment. So think of what nurtures you. You know, what nurtures you on a practical level, what nurtures you on an emotional level and on a spiritual level. And at least for half an hour every day, do that thing or do something for yourself every day. Even if that's just journaling and exploring what your beliefs are, and then doing like tapping or some other sorts of hypnotherapy or something to change the subconscious beliefs that you have about yourself. And learning to balance the give and the take in your life. Often when we have self-doubt and a lack of self-love, we have a tendency to always feel that we are obligated to give and to do all of the time, but you end up not receiving anything, and as a result, and you end up burning out. You end up not going for the goals and the things you really want to do in life because you think you're not good enough, and it's like you're playing seconds when you really should be first in your life in that way. You need to utilize your skills, you need to walk your path, your way, actualize your potential in the world. And this means you need to balance that. So balance time that you work on yourself with all of the other responsibilities that you have in your life to do that. And really look at those negative beliefs that you have about yourself and changing those negative beliefs. I have another YouTube channel. It's called Sandra Inman Tapping. It's all about thoughts and beliefs and how you can change those thoughts and beliefs. So I'll put a link to that channel in the description field below this video. So once again, if you want to have a look at that free masterclass, it's called How to Read the Tarot with Ease. There's a link in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I am Sandra for mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.